So I have received the box that I've been waiting for. This is actually the first sample plate that I've received, or that I've made and received, and I'm very excited about opening it, so I wanted to share this moment with you. And so here it goes. This should be a 12-inch charger plate, which features a pen and ink drawing of the KS32 Ensoniq workstation, which is a keyboard, a venerable keyboard that was very popular in the 90s and probably still popular today. So if there are any music enthusiasts out there, musicians who have come across the Ensoniq or that still play the Ensoniq KS32 workstation, you'll recognize this particular section of that keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. So let's see here. I don't want to break the plate, that would be disastrous. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, good thing I got the plate. Wow, this is very exciting. There it is. The KS32 workstation on a 12-inch charger plate. This is FDA approved, suitable for eating from. My initial reaction is that it looks very impressive. Very nice print quality. A lot of detail retention there. Wow. There's my logo on the back. It's very good. This is a very nice plate. I would be very pleased to be served something on this. And I'm just going to come in closer so you can get a better look at the work. The Ensoniq KS32 workstation on a 12-inch charger plate. And there's my Sharp Art Studio logo on the back, which is done very well. I'm very happy with that. That's very cool. So there you have it. That's the first dinnerware plate that I've ever produced, and I'm looking forward to producing more. So if I do, when I do, I'll make a video and I'll share it with you. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Okay. Bon appetit.